Hey y'all, my name is Mike Jacks and this is my first mukbang. What we gonna do here is Uncle Remus chicken. I ain't even ate the chicken yet. Look at the sauce on my finger. Look at that. Just crazy. Just crazy. Uncle Remus is a chicken spot from out west, on the west side of Chicago. Let's get into it. Come on. Oh God. Yes, yeah. Hey, I got a little 1800. Wash it down. On top of my girl made this juice. I don't know what the hell. Look like some Avengers shit. Delectable. Unequivocal. This is my first video. It's my first time banging that muck. You feel me? This ain't gonna be the last. Let me tell you that right now. That shit fire. Boy, y'all need to see this. Y'all bullshitting. Look at that. You see that though? And then, see, I learned how to eat chicken a long time ago. If you ain't cleaning that bone right there, you know, you used to tell all the girls, I like my blowjobs like I like eating chicken, goddamn. Get all the meat off the bone, you hear me? Yeah. That's just fire. So anytime you decide to bring your ass to Chicago, go ahead, get you some. We're gonna take a little bite of the coleslaw. I'm doing this for y'all. Coleslaw is alright. I'ma still take another bite though. Yeah, it ain't really no crunch to it. You know what I'm saying? You know, you wanna go, you get coleslaw, you want that crunch to that motherfucking veggies in there. That lettuce. And then they fries. They was petty as hell. You know, they more petty than ready on the fries. Yeah. Ain't no sauce on that bitch. I'm still gonna eat it. Regardless. I do music. I also dabble around in the stock market a little bit. We'll get some of this here green drink. Look at that. Look at that. That's some superhero shit. Motherfucking magic potion. Magic potion. This shit fire. Right? Damn, if the food don't make your ass dance, it ain't shit. You know what I'm saying? Look at that right there. Man. And see, the shit was, I was hungry before the goddamn video. I was. Y'all playing. Shout out Uncle Remus, this petty ass amount of salt. See, in DC, they got that bullshit called Mambo sauce. That bullshit. And I like DC. I've been there a few times. It's cool. Have some friends out there in the DMV area. They ain't got shit on mild sauce, man. You know what I'm saying? Come to Chicago, we finna jerk chicken your ass to death, or we finna mild sauce your motherfucking ass to death. You hear me? And some of my friendly associates. So good. The fries is, they petty, but they good. You know what I'm saying? They do what it do. They make it happen. What's a happening, hot stuff? Ooh. Damn. So good. Thank you, Jesus. Like I was saying, I dabble around the stock market a little bit. I just really started. I've had stocks. I've had ownership of stocks for a few years. Also, I was given stock when I was a kid. So it's kind of one of them things where, you know, you kind of get, you know, you dive into it, years pass, and then it's like, oh, I'm a grown ass man. I got a whole family to take care of and all that. So it's like, damn, let me go on here and dabble. You know, I ain't grew up the best. I grew up great. I ain't grew up the best. You know, it was great. You know, certain stocks like Disney, Pepsi, you know what I'm saying, Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola, that stock been in my family for a while. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, to all my people who out there dabbling in that, you know, you got to figure out if the market is bear or bull. Bear meaning the shit's lazy, it's not going to do nothing. Or bull mean that shit is full speed ahead. My situation, as of recent, just because of Disney Plus situation, Disney just went crazy. So I made a few $100. It was fun, you know. It's great. It's good when you check your E-Trade. You know, you want to sign up for E-Trade. You know, I suggest even if you don't know shit about it, sign up for it. You know what I'm saying? Just get you an account on E-Trade, dabble with it. Also, I'm a music producer and a DJ. I'm gonna drop the link down for some beats and stuff. If you're a rapper or whatever and you think you cold as hell, I'm a dope ass engineer as well. So book studio time with me if you're in the area. In the meantime, we eating this food. Shit. Look at this chicken. Look at this shit. Ain't no sauce on here though. No sauce. Ain't no sauce on here. But that crunch is good to the motherfucker. Oh. You know, shout out to Uncle Remus, man. They didn't have to be this damn good. This type of shit, you know, it's legendary. It's just so good. Oh, I work with different artists and shit too, like different rappers and shit like that, like G Herbo, who else, man? Z Money, yeah, you know, Chicago niggas, you feel me? Perfection, baby. We here all day. Only person that can fry some chicken good like this, only people that can fry chicken good as this, is my mama and my future wife with my baby. Look at this shit. Oh, this shit look fake. This shit look fake as hell. On me. On baby. This shit good as hell. Damn. How the fuck they do this to me? So I feel like niggas is like automatically DNA enhanced to love chicken. So I had to make this my first mukbang. You know what I'm saying? Hey, excuse me to my Caucasian friend, but that's how white people eat chicken. They have to pick that bitch apart. Oh. Nigga like me, I don't. Nigga shit. You hear me? You know, this shit hell, boy. This shit is motivational. It's outrageous. It's good. Beautiful. Magnificent. Omnipresent. You fuck with my YouTube channel, you gonna learn some words. You know what I'm saying? I got some words for your ass. Omnipotent. Yeah. I use it how I want to use it too. I'm a dabble back into this coleslaw for y'all. I don't want this shit personally, but I'm doing it for y'all because I know there's some motherfuckers out there that like coleslaw. Look at it. Y'all want to see it? Look. Wheek. Wheek. On me. Man, it's just so fire. I'm gonna get the one that's sauced up. I'm gonna get this one. Look at this one. Look at it. Ooh, saucy. Salsa pan, salsa thin. Sauce. Pull that bitch apart. See, that's what motherfuckers don't realize. See, a lot of niggas be going into the chicken wing raw. You gotta pull that motherfucker apart. You don't want to miss no part to this shit. You know what I'm saying? It's real. Yeah. Listen. What? Nigga, this ain't even chicken. Nigga, this unicorn meat. Fuck you talking about? This shit good. This shit's fire. Yeah, buddy. Motherfucker find me. Motherfucker do an autopsy on me. They gonna see I got a DNA attraction to chicken. Goddammit. I'm trying to show. I'm genetically enhanced to chicken. This is a love thing. This is a love thing going on here. I'm a chicken eating nigga. And this shit right here, oof, delectable. There we go. Wipe my mouth out. This shit is brilliance. You hear me? Make you slap the shit out of somebody. Obviously, the man upstairs just got a hand in my shit. My girl coming over here snatching shit. She lucky I love her. She lucky I love her because she would have pulled back. She wouldn't have had no fingers fucking around. That shit good. Look at that. See, that's when you know you good at eating chicken. Yes. You know, some niggas go to J&J's. That's cool. Niggas go to Sharks. Them local. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. They got Sharks anywhere? You should comment that shit. I don't know if y'all ever heard of Sharks. I'll probably do them on the next mukbang. But this shit fire. All types of fire. Unadulterated. And I'm gonna go ahead hit the Power Ranger juice. The Green Ranger. Yeah. Boy, let's do another wing. Y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Yeah. Look at that. Yeah, baby. Just kiss that motherfucker. Come on. Come on. What the fuck you talking about? Ow. Goddamn right. The devil is a lie. I'm just gonna wing this shit. You know what I'm saying? No pun intended. But for real, I'm gonna wing this shit. You know what I'm saying? This shit good as hell. And I just want to share that with y'all. Let's see one of these petty ass fries. I'm gonna try to show y'all some decent shit. See, this is a real Chicago fry. I'm not gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, let me turn this bitch around this way. Look at that. See, that bitch get fresh after that damn deep fry, and then doused with the mild sauce. You know what I'm saying? Doused that hoe. You know what I'm saying? I want to put a description. I want to put a definition of what douse mean in here. Douse mean pour it the fuck all over. That's my definition in Webster. I mean, pour it the fuck all over that fry. Douse that hoe. Mmm. God is good. If your chicken don't look like this after you get done, you ain't eating that motherfucker right. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, you need to get rid of that shit. You know what I'm saying? Your ass is tweaking on me. And break that hoe in half just so you can get to the extras. You know what I'm saying? This right here, it's all the good. This is all the good stuff. But they most of the time, then they sauce it up. But most of the time, the sauce gonna be right here too. You know what I'm saying? On that wing, you really can't even bite through that motherfucker. Some niggas find a way. Some niggas, you know what I'm saying? Like that's your forte. You want to do that, cool. But I'm gonna show you how to eat the motherfucker right. Like this, the shoulder. You know what I'm saying? This the little flappy part. You know what I'm talking about? All you gotta do is just take your teeth, and go, You gotta slide that motherfucker off. You feel me? This shit fire. You gotta slide that motherfucker off. Boy, that shit fire. That's gonna probably be the name of this motherfucker. It's gonna be called Boy, This Shit Fire. Any anime lovers out there? Anybody watch anime? Comment your favorite anime. The reason why I said that, I was just watching One Punch Man. Also, it's a 2K tournament happening right now, man. 250,000. I got any 2K players on my shit. I'm gonna drop my gamer tag. Come on, take this loss. You hear me? Yeah. No sauce. No sauce. Shit looking good. Smack this shit out of somebody. Shit so good. Come on. Man, come on. Stop bullshitting with my life right now. God damn. Oh God. See, real Chicago, they eat. This how you eat Uncle Remus. If you don't eat your chicken like you eat your girl, then you tweaking. Amen. Damn. They forgot my motherfucking roll. They forgot my roll. Let me see something. Hey, baby. Hey, give me a piece of bread, baby. Don't see.
What?
Come on, give me a piece of bread.
Get you a piece of bread.
A piece of bread. They didn't put no bread in this shit. Come on. Anyway, anybody know, if you're from Chicago, you go to Sharks, you go to Harris, you go to J&J's, you go to Uncle Remus, you go get a piece of bread. And them niggas just forgot my bread, Joe. On me. I feel like I need to redo this shit now. You know what I'm saying? Hey.
You only got many oat bread.
What? You only got some motherfucking, some nutty oat bread. I don't want no goddamn nuts and grains in my mouth.
Well,
Hey. They got a Hawaiian bread?
nope.
Boo. It's alright. As long as y'all rock with me, I'll rock with y'all, Joe. Look at that. Get your ass up. It's my chicken. Like, subscribe, comment. Hey, and we out.